Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin and today we are unboxing the Halloween themed mystery box from Unearthly Cosmetics. So I have not peeked at all. I've been good. I haven't watched any videos showing what's inside the box. So if you're curious, keep on watching. Before we get too far into the video, if you have not already, please consider clicking that subscribe button. I upload twice a week, totally free to subscribe, and I would love to have you back on the channel again in the future. And if you like this video, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. All right, let's see what's in this box. So this box, I think they listed it at $100. However, I remember using a code and it was free shipping. So I think it was more like 80 some dollars that I ended up paying for it. I haven't gotten anything from Unearthly Cosmetics in a while, and part of the reason, I'm not gonna lie, that I did get this box is because they said it was gonna be limited edition and Halloween themed stuff. So I'm curious to see what's in here. I think all of the mystery boxes contain the same exact things. Just because they are limited edition, I don't see how they could do it any other way. So I don't think there's gonna be like a lot of variety if you've watched other videos, but I'm gonna watch some after this and see. So, okay, we open it up. This box is very high quality, by the way. Like, it's sturdy. I'll probably use this to store things and not throw it away. It's not just cheap cardboard. Very nice. Has the branding there, Unearthly Cosmetics. When you open it, this is a magnetic closure, this little flap. Like I said, very nice. And then it's hidden. Like, there's this big sponge thing to protect everything. I think this said it had like 5 or 6 full-size products, so if I lift this up, it's just gonna show everything. So I'm gonna try to like reach underneath that sponge and pull things without looking at it, just so I don't kind of spoil the whole thing for myself at first, like at once. Okay, so the first thing we have, I love their artwork, you guys. That's like the thing that pulled me into this brand. You know, if you've seen my video on the Poison Apple palette, I'll leave it linked. Their artwork is the thing that originally drew me in when they were still Alien Cosmetics. So we have the Chilling Unearthly Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette. No idea what these color stories are gonna be like, but I know I love the formula from the brand. Okay, so on the inside it looks the same. It's got some holographic text there. Oh, it's a 4-pan. I wasn't expecting that. These are huge. These pans are huge. Okay, so it's monochromatic. It's all purple, chilling, right? Kind of looks like some bluey purples, some more like warm toned ones. So there's 3 mattes and 1 shimmer. I'm gonna feel the shimmer. Yep, it's the normal Unearthly Great Shimmer. It's got a translucent base. I would honestly use that as a highlighter too. So that's our first item we've got here, is a little quad. Man, I just can't get over how huge those pans are. Is that how big their pans are in their eyeshadows now? I just went on a tangent. I'll leave the video linked recently about like, I'm not into big pan sizes recently. Like, I want a smaller pan size. I'd rather have more shades and smaller pans than a few big ones. So that's not my favorite, but you know, it is what it is. Let's see, is this gonna be maybe the opposite? Yes. Okay, so there's another one. This is the Creepy Crawly Unearthly Cosmetics Pressed Pigment Palette. Now, I'm guessing since this one was purple, this will all be green. I will say if there's a bunch of palettes like this in here, like 4 or 5, that might be kind of cool, just as far as like, if they're all monochromatic, you could put them together to make a palette. Yeah, so it's seeming like that's what it is. This one is all green. This, looking at it, especially with this being kind of silver looking, reminds me of the color story of, isn't there like a Juvia's Place quad kind of like this? Am I going crazy? This looks very fluorescent, like borderline. It's still green, but like fluorescent like a yellow would be is what it looks like. Interesting. Okay, so they've paired it with a kind of a silvery metallic in that one. Obviously I already have my makeup done today, but let me know if you guys want to see some sort of look, me like wearing or putting together these. Yeah, it feels like there's four squares like these, so I'm guessing it's 4 eyeshadow palettes. Okay, this one is the Thirst one. Oh, look at that artwork though. That's pretty cool. I'm trying to show you, my lights are being so reflective off of it. It's giving Hex Girls vibes if you're, you know, an old Scooby-Doo fan like my age. So Thirst, I'm guessing, is going to be like orangey red in this one. Okay, kind of. We've got like red, but it's like a rusty brownie red. This is a red, like an orange red, a black, and then this is kind of like an orangey peachy shimmer in this one. I still think like some of these you might be able to get away with as like highlighters or blush toppers. All right, what color do you guys think the fourth one's gonna be? Just seeing that there's red, green, and purple, I'm gonna guess blue is the final one, but I don't know for sure. I'm feeling for it. Oh, maybe there's only 3, okay. Here is a longer box. This says it's the Ghoul Light Unearthly Cosmetics Highlighter Palette. I wasn't expecting that. So this has, maybe there's just 3 because it has like the same pictures that are on here. I don't know if you can see, but the 3 palettes we pulled, it's the same images on this highlighter palette. So maybe these are gonna be like coordinating highlighters to go with, which is weird because like I said, kind of felt like some of them you could use as highlighters. Oh. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited, you guys. These look so cool. Look, can you see? They're so swirly. Whoa. I love cool patterns like this. Like I know when you mix it together, it doesn't look like that, but that's so cool. Okay, so we have Thirst, which that one looks kind of like orangey. I don't know if you can see, it's like a kind of like sunset yellow orangey. Maybe these are like duochromy. Creepy Crawly. It looks like yellow and green in the pan, and it mixes to like a light green. Looks like a greeny gold when you swatch it. And then Chilling looks white and purple in the pan. Yeah, it looks kind of like silver lavendery. Oh, I'm gonna have fun with this, you guys. Okay, this is my favorite thing so far. I'm very happy with that. Those are big pan sizes too, but I feel like it's different for face products somehow than eye products personally. Okay, I'm very excited. What else do we have? Oh, and we have 3 lips. Okay, so I'll go ahead and lift this up because we're down to the lip products now. But essentially on the inside of this, you can see where the 3 eye palettes were, the highlighter, and then here's the lips. So it's basically like a limited edition collection is what it seems like. This is cool. I think this is cool. What do you guys think? Do you feel like it's $88 worth? Because I feel like, I don't know, how much would a quad go for in a highlighter palette anyway? I feel like that's a pretty decent bundle, personally, knowing the normal pricing for Unearthly Cosmetics. All right, and then these are satin liquid lipsticks. I love their satin liquid lipsticks, you guys. Okay, so the last order I did make from Unearthly, it's been a while and I haven't shown you because they were out for so long, but they were discontinuing the old packaging, like the stuff that said Alien Cosmetics, but they were selling their full set of liquid lipsticks in like this huge coffin box, and they were only like $2 a piece because it was the old packaging with the wrong like branding that they were trying to get rid of. But the formula is great. It's so good. I love it. Here, I've got one right here actually. This is like their old packaging. It says Alien Cosmetics. This is the shade Mandy. It's like this cool green, and I love the old packaging because it has like this glitter in the top that you can swish around and swirl, and like moons, green and purple. Such cool packaging. Such a shame they had to change it. I think they'll be coming out with more of those like new packaging with the new branding soon, but I just went ahead and got them because like I said, they were like $2 a piece. I couldn't pass it up, so that's the last thing I got. So here we have the new Unicarton. I don't know if the non-limited edition ones will be like this, but it's the same satin liquid lipstick. You can see it's a little bit taller, so probably a different component. And then on this limited edition collection, it's got, instead of just the head, the full body of like the 3 characters for the collection. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's check it out. What do we got? So the red one is called Savage, and ooh, I think, so this is clear, I believe, so I think that's the color. It looks like a black lipstick. Okay, and definitely not the same component, right? Like no cool glittery fun thing. This is more basic if you ask me. So again, we'll see what like the pricing is like. These are, how many fluid ounces? These are 5 milliliters. The old ones were also 5 milliliters, so it's the same amount of product. So So Savage is black. I do love a black lipstick, you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, some people might knock it, but the like purple character is called Wicked, and that's a purple. That's kind of similar to the purple I wore recently in my Cosmic Brushes video. I'll leave that one linked if you haven't seen it. And I wore the Menagerie Hyacinth. You can see they're slightly different, right? One's a little warmer, one's a little cooler, but that's what it just offhand reminds me of. However, I much prefer the Unearthly formula to the Menagerie. I have 2 shades of the Menagerie. I think I have Cricket, the black one, and Hyacinth, this one. I like Menagerie's colors, but I feel like when I wear their liquid lipsticks, they tend to like partway through the day like start peeling off or like flaking off, and I'm not about that, and the Unearthly ones don't do that. So it looks like we're getting some fun holiday colors. And then we've got the green character Ghoulish. Let's see what shade this is. I'm guessing, I would think like orange, right, for Halloween? No? Oh, okay, not orange. We have a deep olive green. I actually love this. I don't have a liquid lipstick like this. I have something from Wet n Wild that's kind of this deep foresty shade, but it's metallic. I don't have anything that is just like a purely like matte, or, well, I mean, it's not matte, it's satin finish, right? But something without metallic glitter particles is basically what I'm trying to say. I love a colorful lip, guys. Let me know what you guys think about that. This box, fire. I'm very happy with this. I feel like this was well worth it. Such great theming, such great formula. Like, let's just have another moment for her. Like, this is cool. I love it. I'm gonna keep it in this box. I really do feel like I'm gonna need to do like a video trying all of this on. Again, let me know if you have interest. If not, girl, I will just have fun off camera with it. That's fine. You're not gonna hurt my feelings. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is super, super fun for me, and I hope to see you again on the next one. Bye.